Google has more than 20 apps on their platform that you can use every single day. I use most of them every day, and you may not know that these apps exist, but they are here to help you. And in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to use them, and then I'm going to show you. Now, if you're using a PC, all right, if you're using a PC, just come to Google, either Chrome or anywhere, any of the browser you're using, and then if your Chrome or anyone has already has your email, when you on it, you will see here this ample here is show Google Apps. You are seeing my Gmail. If I click here, it's going to take me to my Gmail, my images. If I save them to Google, and then if I click here, it show Google Apps. If I click here, you see them. This is my account with Google, and then this is Google Meet. Google Meet is an app where you can have a class. It's just like Zoom, and that is what I use to teach my students in Express Tech Academy. So you can use it to teach students. And then this Google Docs. Google Docs is just like MS Word. You can use it to type. In fact, I used to teach in content writing that you should use Google Docs to write your work, not MS Word, and I have my reasons for that. And now this is, of course, this is Google Search, where you can search google.com. This is Google Business Profile Manager. You can use it to manage your business. This is Google Maps. You can use it to see the world map and everything. This is YouTube. YouTube has been incorporated into Google as well. And this is Gemini AI. Of course, Gemini AI is the AI that belongs to Google. Google invented this AI, and it's going to show you it's going to operate like ChatGPT and other Meta AI that you are seeing. But this is your AI. Then this Google News. Do you even know you can make money with Google News? That is a story for another day. But if you want to be reading news from Google, this is it. This is your Gmail, just the way you have shortcut here. This is your Gmail. This is Google Chat. You can use Google Chat. Those who do Google Classroom, you can know that. And this is Google Contact. If you save your contacts to Google, this is Google Drive. Of course, we know what Google Drive is. This is Google Calendar. This is Play Store. Play Store has also been integrated here. This is Google Translate. You can translate from one language to another. If you save your photos to Google, you can also see them here. My art center, if you run ads a lot, I run ads a lot, and if I click this thing, you're going to see a lot of ads that I used to run. And this is Google Shopping Center, where you can shop with Google, or you can use it to shop with other platforms like Amazon, Shopify, Temu, and all of that. Now we also have Google Sheets, just like Excel. All right, we also have Google Sheet. I've used it a lot. In fact, I used to use it on my phone those days when I used to write for my Indian clients. And then this Google Slides, where you can prepare slides just the way you prepare on PowerPoint. This is Google Books. This is Pro Blogger. If you want to do blogging and you don't have money to buy a website, you can use this one free of charge. And then this is Keep. Of course, I miss Finance. This is Google Finance as well, where to learn about finance. This is Google Keep. This is Google Classroom. This is Earth. This is Saved. This is Art. This is Google Ads. This is Google Merchant Center. This is Google 101. This is Travel. Google Forms, if you want to create forms. And this is where, if you save your password, you can see them here. And we have more of them. If you click on more, it will open more for you. So there are a lot of Google apps that you can use for your daily work. You can see them that they are here. Plenty of them, so you can see a lot of them. So if you have not been using any of them and you want to use any of them, you can actually use them. So you can actually use them on phone as well. If once you call on your phone, if you can't see it on your phone, press Chrome on your phone and then turn the phone to desktop mode. You see this particular sign here, Google Apps, and then when you click it, you can be able to use it. I used to use it on my phone very well, especially that Google Sheet. I used to use it on my phone. And then for Google Docs, you can download them. All of them are separate apps. You can also download them from Play Store. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you find value with it, kindly help me subscribe to the channel and like my video. Thank you.